Hello, Jeff Sauer here, and welcome to the periodic table of Google Analytics. Today I have a fun one, and I want to talk about the site search reports within Google Analytics. Now, this is an intermediate topic because the site search reports in Google Analytics are something that it does take some configuration to do, and so you might not recognize the need for this right away, but as you get more at an intermediate level of your understanding of Google Analytics, you can go ahead and set this up. The site search report, basically what it does is when somebody uses a search bar on your website in order to look for information, so if they click on search or if they enter a term into your search engine on your own site and then they get search results, you can train Google Analytics to recognize what somebody searched for on your site. Now, this is pretty straightforward to set up in most cases, but there are some tricky ones out there that I'll let you know about in a little bit. But the basic premise is you look at the URL for your search results. Usually it has like a Q equals or a keyword equals or a S equals, some kind of parameter in the URL for your search result. You find that parameter and then you train Google Analytics to recognize that that is the parameter that defines when somebody searched. And so, for example, it might be Jeffalytics.com !S equals Google Analytics. So if somebody searched for Google Analytics on my site, that would be the URL of the search results. I would train Google Analytics that the letter S in the URL is my search engine. And that means that somebody's searching, and once they recognize that somebody is searching, these site search reports get enabled. So it doesn't take very long to enable them, but it does depend on you having the query string in the URL of your site. So my pro tip is to set this up right away. Why not? It doesn't really hurt you. If you have a search engine on your site, you should set this thing up because there's lots of value to be had. Now, the big gotcha that I tell you is that some search engines just display the results and don't put a query string in the URL of the site. And so this can get a little bit more complex. We do talk about solutions for how to do this in our analytics course and teach you how to do it there. But there's other articles about how you can do this with things like Google Tag Manager or other tools that are out there to teach you how your search engine works. So hopefully it's as simple as putting in the query string into your settings. Otherwise it gets more complex. You might want to work with a Google authorized consultant to fix that part for you. So that's it for our talk on the site search reports within Google Analytics. Look forward to learning with you at Jeffalytics.com or on our YouTube channel. Thank you.